Okay, we're at Fluffy's Sunny morning. A little cooler than yesterday, but I'm sure it will warm up as the day goes along. Her water dish was empty, it's been refilled. Her dry food dish was empty, it's been refilled. White-crowned, having a drink of water. White-throated Sparrow. We have one of Whispering Hills Ranch's peacocks on a white horse trailer. Over there. A great white egret on the eastern hillside, just north of the ranch building. Should say they're barns and stables where they keep the horses. Doesn't seem to be hunting. It's over there. You have a second egret, and it looks like it is on the hunt. Go for it. It's not the other one. Right there. This was the one that I had been doing a video on. Okay. We're back at Fluffy's. Cat treats are down. Okay, Fluffy, we'll see you tomorrow. Down. Speedy's down. Took a worm. Not too far away. He's going to eat it, maybe come back for a second. Nope, fly away. Scrubshake got a worm. Here, Speedy's down for some more. His mate is here too. Uh-oh. Come, Sarah, come on. That's a girl. Speedy's mate's coming down, Sarah. And some of the sparrows that come to eat the bird seed on the ground cover next to Speedy's ground cover area. These are mostly house sparrows. There are some white-crowned sparrows and golden, but mostly house.